Good day, sir. I am Laika Katubig, and today I will memorize the Article 27 of Revised Penal Code, the duration of penalties. Reclusión perpetua, 20 years 1 day to 40 years. Reclusión temporal, 12 years 1 day to 20 years. Prisión mayor, temporal absolute and special disqualification, 6 years 1 day to 12 years. Prisión correccional, suspension and desterro, 6 months 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor, 1 month 1 day to 6 months. Arresto minor, 1 day to 30 days.